Hey gang, how you going? Well, I had an email from someone the other day saying I need to fix a wheelbarrow wheel. And it just so happens I got one here that is going flat. So I'm going to repair it. If you need to have a wheelbarrow wheel repaired, yeah, stay tuned. Hopefully it won't be that hard. Or should I say easy. There's a little bit of air left in here, so I'll just screw out the little doobie flingy. Next thing you got to do is separate it off of the rim. So once you've got the screwdriver underneath and you're quite certain you have it pinched the tube, then just grab another one, run it along like so until it runs really split.
Time to force record. To the other.
Okay, so once you got half of that off, you said you got the other half off. Again, being really careful not. Okay, so once you've got one side off, it's just a matter of pulling the tube out. Okay, so once you've taken the inside of the wheel out, there you go. Okay, let's try and find the hole now in this tube. Put that back in, of course. I'm going to pump it up. Right. Okay, so the repair job's going to be a lot quicker than I thought because there isn't actually a hole in there. So if there was a hole in there, you put on your standard punch repair kit and off you go. Bob's your uncle. Uncle Bob.
No, that needs to be done because this is a bit flat, so.
I suspect it may have been a possible loose valve in there. But anyway, now before we put it back together, let's let's give it a clean off. That should make it easy to put it together. So, of course, just check the tyre, make sure there's nothing in there that shouldn't be in there. Just a quick clean off as well. Cue the editing. So, next we shall put our tube in here. Bearing in mind, this could be a bit slightly tricky. Just remember which side your valve is going to be going, and which I'll put up there next. Through there. Put half of this on. Now we shall put the tube inside. Make sure it goes underneath the actual tube itself like that. So just make sure that when you do put your tube in that you get the valve to come through the valve hole, otherwise you could have some trouble. The air inside the tube. So you just want to make sure that air out again. Okay, so now all that's left, once you're happy with where the rim's sitting in relation to your valve, next thing to do is to return the other side. Looking good. Right. Let's put our valve back in. This time I'll make sure the valve's nice and tight, as I suspect it was leaking before. Make sure it's not being pinched anywhere. Looks pretty good. So yeah, not for highway use. Yeah, thanks for that. Okay, 2-ply rating, maximum load 200 kilos, 30 psi. So, well, it's not even on 10 psi. Sitting on about 12 psi at the moment. Yeah, that's 20. I think that's heaps. Much more than 20 she'll probably blow. Just check the cap on the end there. Squirt a bit of water in there. Oh, she looks pretty good. Nice and tight and fixed. I'll finish it off with a bit of armour all. It's just like a bought one. There you go folks, how to fix a wheelbarrow wheel. Any questions, hey, send them over. I'll be happy to answer them. Otherwise, yeah, we'll see you on the road or in the sky. Bye for now. I'll see you on the road or in the sky. Thanks for joining in. Awesome. Bye for now.